Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to finish up the glass bottle series that I had been working with the group on. Now, if you don't know about the group, we're on Facebook and the link will be in the description. Everybody is welcome, and we've been working on glass and things that are transparent. So I've gotten to see a lot of people's pictures, and we were working on these glass bottles, and I had done a demo of different color combinations. In fact, I have it here. We've been working on these color combinations in the group, and people are doing terrific. And I just wanted to go over some of the things that people were having trouble with, and so I'm going to demo this bottle. This isn't 100% done yet. I still have work to do in this area over here. It's not completely blended. And I left it this way on purpose because I wanted to show the difference between something that's completely blended. Then you have like this upper area that I'm just working on that is not. And you can definitely see the difference between the line being here and the gradient being here. And this is just a matter of keeping going, where new people stop. So if I keep going on this, it'll turn into this. Now, another thing is a lot of people are leaving the highlight really, really wide. I mean, it's a personal taste, but if you narrow up that gap in between, it will look more like a highlight than three color that are separate. Another thing that people were asking me about were water droplets. Now, there's nothing really difficult with water droplets, although a lot of people were having some problems with it, and I wanted to show you why. Here we have a drop, and I did this in about 5 minutes. Some of the secrets behind doing water droplets: the internal droplet is always slightly lighter than the background. But if you don't do the background, it's not going to look like a water droplet. So like this one here, it's very similar to the back paper, although I did put wax on it. So it'll look more like a water droplet than, say, let's see, this one. Okay? Because this is blue, my background is gray. So you're going to see a distinct color, and that's why and now if you look at this water droplet from the side, the water droplet is the same as the background, so it looks transparent. And then I did the same thing with a bubble, where I drew a bubble, and because I did the outside and the inside the same, it'll look transparent. That's the whole trick to doing transparency. I'm going to demo this bottle, which I did of, well, obviously it's a melted or paint coming off the bottle instead of just the label. I had the label melting off the bottle. And the demo will be of this. A little bit. Now, these are ones that I did in preparation for this when I was working out my colors, so they're not supposed to be. I usually don't show you guys these, but I do multiple. Every time I do a picture, I do multiple versions of it. And then, I use them as scrap. I usually write on them or whatever. So you could see I was just goofing around with this one. But here's some black glass ones, and this is with the blue. And I didn't melt the top off. And here's one with the red demo. Now, I demoed this one in the gold because the group on Facebook, everybody asked me to do the gold. So I'll leave the color combinations for this in the video. And now if you have any questions, just write me a comment or join in on the group. So let's start the demo.